Hi, I'm Viviane. I'm from Bahia in Brazil, but I live in the Netherlands for almost 30 years now. And a few weeks ago, I've attended the Marma course, and later I've also attended the presential course organized in the Netherlands by Jan Storms. Both courses were provided by Dr. Prasad. Before attending this course, I never heard about Marma, and I was surprised for not knowing about such an important thing. I'm very happy to have attended the course, and during the course, I was able to already apply the techniques for something that was going on in my body. I was suffering from plantar fasciitis for more than 1 year already. And after applying the techniques, the pain was completely gone after just a few days. And I was surprised because I was trying to get rid of the pain for more than 1 year already. And with the Marma techniques, it was gone in just a few days. I'm very happy for this. And I was puzzled how is it possible that such a, I would say, simple technique could have such a huge effect on the body. Then I realized that Marma therapy is not only about the physical part itself. It's like you tell your body, okay, go ahead, you are free for the healing process. It's like you remove the blockades that are hindering the healing process, and you get better connected to yourself. And so Marma is not only about the physical party, it's about also about the connection with yourself, and I would say also the connection with life. And I'm very happy for this opportunity to attend the course and to apply Marma techniques. And I'm planning to go ahead and learn more and more about Marma. I'm very happy to know about Marma now, and I'm very thankful to Jan Storms for organizing the course in the Netherlands, and to introduce, to tell about Marma, and to organize the course. And I'm very thankful to Dr. Prasad for sharing his knowledge and for helping people everywhere. Thank you very much.